welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna switch things up just a smidge. So I'm gonna do an Aldi haul. I love Aldi. Well, actually I say Aldi most of the time, but Aldi. I love Aldi. It is my favorite grocery store because it's affordable, and I also find some cute little gems in there here and there. So most of the things that I bought are gonna be for making my work lunch through the week. I did buy a few items like I'm gonna use for like dinner and breakfast and stuff like that, but most of the stuff is gonna be for lunch, and I'm gonna actually do lunch prep videos as well, so just stay tuned. Alright, so let's see what I have in this bag. So this is the first thing I got is some hummus. I like hummus, and I got the roasted red pepper kind. I like this particular flavor of hummus. I got the single cup because that's much easier if you're gonna take for lunch. You can take a little at a time versus scooping it out of that big thing. And sometimes a lot of I don't always finish a big thing of hummus before it goes bad. So it's way easier for me to just get these singles. As you see, they're already in their little cups. It's easy just to grab in the morning and take with you for lunch. So they also have some guac that's in some containers like this. I was gonna get it, but they didn't have any more out. They didn't have it out today, which is Tuesday or Monday. So I don't know when they're gonna put some more out. But when I do go back, I'm definitely gonna get the guac as well. The next item that I have is some trail mix that I got. This kind is the cranberry nut pack, and it has peanuts, cranberries, and almonds. And I got this because of course I wanted some trail mix for lunch sometimes to have on the side, and it's a good little snack, but it's in the individual packs as well, and that's also reduces mess, you know. I'm here for it, and it's easy just to grab and go. Next thing I have are these. This is applesauce. I got the variety pack, and these are in the little pouches. It's 12 pouches in here, and this is the variety pack. Like I said, it has 6 apples unsweetened. It has the strawberry, banana, and the apple, banana, and the apple strawberry. So I'm excited to try these to see how I like them, and I'm also gonna let you know the prices of some of this stuff more than likely. So by looking at my receipt, every item that I bought was less than $5. So that says a lot. Some of this stuff gonna transition over into dinner too. But anyways, this is gonna help me save so much money as far as buying, instead of buying lunch every day, spending $10 and stuff like that. I got this stuff, and it should last me a pretty good while. But anyways, got these pretzels, and I did get some Italian style cheese, but that's just to make like breakfast pizzas, like bagel pizzas and stuff like that, or just it's just whatever, you know. Got the mango nectar mainly for breakfast, so I can make smoothies for my breakfast. Instead of actually getting up in the morning and preparing something at night, I just prepare a smoothie at night. Save money, it's healthy, and I love smoothies, so it's a win-win for me. The next item I have is French beans. I can have these for lunch, and I can also eat them for dinner, but unlikely they'll be a dinner item. Got me some blueberries. I'm excited to try these because it's been a while since I had produce from Aldi. Usually I get my produce from H-E-B. So I got strawberries, and the last thing I have in this bag are my mushrooms. Actually, I'm gonna make a pasta with these tomorrow for dinner. Yeah, that's the plan. I've been wondering where to meet it, but I usually get my meat from a totally different store. And like I said, most of this stuff is for lunch. It's not even like dinner stuff. So if I do a dinner type shopping haul, dinner breakfast type shopping haul, I'll let y'all know, and I'll probably show that one. Just let me know if y'all want to see it. Mini bagels. These are very multi-use. You can have these for lunch. I did see some lunch setups or whatever with the bagels, and you can do them for breakfast. I usually in the morning, if I have bagels, I usually do like a bagel pizza, but I gotta buy some more sausages for that. And I bought naan. Anyways, I bought this because you can I actually use these to make chalupas. When I have a taste for chalupa and don't want to spend the money at Taco Bell, I just make them out of this. And also I cut these up and make these little small little squares with them, with olive oil and all that seasoning and stuff, and they'd be pretty good for lunch. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do that eventually. And for my meat for the week, because I'm not a huge fan of like lunch meat and deli meat and stuff like that, so I only bought 1 pack, and it should last me a while because I don't really like it like that. I got this buffalo style chicken breast. There it is. So I'm gonna let y'all know how this goes. Apparently it's gluten free and stuff like that. I hope it's good. I hope it tastes good. So we gonna see, and I'm gonna like so excited to show y'all how to mix and match all this stuff for lunch. It's gonna be dope. It's really fun. Okay, I got some olives because I've really been digging olives lately. Like, I didn't like them when I was like way younger, but now they're pretty good. So I'm good with that. I got some pickles and I got some olive oil. I love their olive oil. The olive oil at Aldi is so it's good and it is a good price. I got avocado oil too, and it has grapeseed oil. So anyway, I got the extra virgin olive oil. This is a pretty good sized bottle. Less than $5. All right, and this is the smoothie mix. What I'm gonna get to use with my smoothie, I got the tropical blend. It has pineapple, mango, strawberries, and papaya. So I'm gonna use this for my smoothie, like I said, and I have the mango nectar as my base for my juice portion of it. But I've tried this mix before. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. And I already have some honey as my sweetener. I didn't have to buy any more of that, so that's good. All right, so one thing I didn't get a chance to show was pasta. I did buy some more pasta. I bought some spaghetti and I bought some, I think some roasted pasta. Anyways, I did buy some pasta with this haul too. I just didn't show because I already put it up. And here are my bell peppers that I got. I'm gonna use those, of course, in my food and as well as side items during my lunch because raw bell peppers taste pretty good. I'm noticing it. Just roast them. Well, roast them a little bit. You can roast them a little bit in the stove or whatever. That's pretty good. Alright, that is it. I did get some more stuff, but I'm not going to show it because that stuff is strictly for breakfast or dinner, and I just want to show y'all some stuff for lunch so it can be a nice little introductory into my lunch prep videos. What else? My little lunchbox thing did come in for that. I'm so excited. So, thinking about getting a black one too. Y'all, I'm so sweet. It's like, what's up? It's 11:05. But I'm about to show y'all my receipt. Hold on, here's the receipt. I cut my debit card information off. Here it is. Let me see, can I see it? It's just Aldi and everything. Right down to the bottom is the total. My original total was like $70 some, but I had got some more stuff, and it ended up going like $20 more. But anyways, as you can see, boom, everything is less. All my items were less than $5. Like, that's pretty good. And this stuff is gonna last me for lunch for a while. Sometimes I'm spending like $10 for lunch if I want something good that's not necessarily fast food, you know. So yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching. I'm glad y'all stopped by. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap the notification bell so you know every time your girl uploads a new video. If y'all want to see any more hauls, especially when it comes to grocery shopping and stuff like that, or more vlogs or whatever y'all just want to see, let your girl know. You know, just let me know. So I'm glad y'all stopped by. Like I said, enjoy your night, enjoy your day whenever you watch this. I'm gonna put this up and go to bed because I already got in the shower and did all of those things. That's why I'm extra sleepy now. So, I'm gonna holler at y'all. Peace. See y'all next time.